So, hi everyone, welcome to Agame Cybertech. My name is Maheshwar, Junior Security Analyst. Today, we are going to teach you about web server attack. This server attack is web server attack, something across site scripting, SQL injection on a website, getting to a website. We can say an attacker may cause a DDoS attack by sending numerous service request packets overwhelming the service capability of the web server. It's nothing but like a DDoS attack. So here, the session I'm going to teach you about how this attack will cause. Let's keep has us like an attacker has V and the target has some website, so I'm going to keep Metasploitable. There will be a Kali Linux. We are using some DOS attacks and some attacks using MSF console heading to the target's website. So how we will work on it? Let me teach you. So first thing you should do is your Kali Linux, keep your Kali Linux in adapter. Suppose if you use NAT network or MAC, it won't work. Just adapter. Advanced, allow all the things. And as same as in Metasploitable, if you don't have Metasploitable, you can download it from website, the Metasploitable tool. Even these also keep it in ARM, just adapter. See here, allow all. So let me show you how this works. So let's open my Kali Linux and open my Metasploitable. You can see this. While using Metasploitable, the code like login ID always with the MSF and password is also MSF. So you can see I just logged in. See what is the IP address of this. Our IP address is 192.168.0.116. Let us keep this aside. So open our Kali Linux. Let us see what is our Kali Linux IP address is. Sorry, no, it's not working. So our IP address is 192.168.1. Now, how to see whether that Metasploitable is connected to the same internet or not. So the first thing you should do is should do NetBIOS, that is NBT scan. What is say hyphen R is used local port 7 for scanning the Win97 boxes only. Things which are all connected and get to know. Thing hyphen R. So we'll use NBT scan hyphen R was the IP address 192. What this you should put our IP address, okay? 92.168.0. What was our IP address? Plus 114. 114. Okay, the house is not connected. We put the some port number 84. So okay, we got some HTTP server port that is Metasploitable. Or else you can our IP address. We got it. So we got to know that this is connected to our IP address. What we should do? We should work for we should put a map or a ZMM. If ZMap or a map should by those things, but I have a map. Using an so using a map, we are using some few here. Commands are hyphen PR and hyphen S, sorry, hyphen V, hyphen P. So let us see what is hyphen before is. Let us the command and map we support number we is the version. We put the target IP address that is 192.168.0. It was 116, right? Yeah, it was 116. This is the pointer. Starting HTTP map is not good. Now what we will do is we use a map or a send map, but I have a map which is a network scanning software. We will let you know how it works and how a map works in web server attack. So we have some command for a map that is map G4 that is aggressive scan V, what is the version, what was IP address 192.168.0.116. Get scanning. You can see here the ports are all open. The IP address, and we can some DOS attacks and we can work on it. Let it all complete. So okay, you can see the scanning has been. So let us see what are the scanning we got. What happened? see, scroll. So okay. So guys, we can see here we have these ports are all open. We got to know that all ports are open. Now what to do next is should see other more details that is using. We can see here port state service at version. You can see the 21 TCP that is open port FTP service it uses. The version it is used is VSFTPD. You can see the status and everything else is connected to my IP address. Logged in as FTP. Type is ASIII. And no session has bandwidth is limited. It has no bandwidth. Okay. Now next 22 TCP that is SSH. Open. Is open as SSH version. Can see you can elaborate details will be there. Let us do works on now. First boot, which is very easy thing, it is 21. 22. We will use nmap. You should do put your system into user. Let me see. It's very important. If we want to know how to scan the port or how to get the information, what the type, what the service it has been provided, everything we got to know. Now let us see what is it vulnerable or not that we use. What we will do, we use nmap. One the port that is 21 1 hyphen script. The hyphen script is defines which script to be run. You are using own script, okay? That is like which script is we are using to run. Okay? That what was the script? What is the script? That is vulnerability. The IP comes an IP address that is 192.168.0.116. It will take some bit of time. It will give you all details. Let me see how many percent it has done. It worked. Let's wait. Okay, almost 66.67% have been done. Now we will get some of time. Let's wait. So okay, we got the information. Let's see. It is vulnerable. That means VSFTPD version 20 is backwards vulnerable, and we have some CV number. To get more information, what we do? Open Firefox. We got to know which version is it, right? Now what we will do is we will just copy the version number, that is this one, PSFTPD. Just copy this one, open the, you just paste here. Hope it has not been saved. You just click on. So see the rabbits, and see whenever you scan support work on bit 7, that's it will show you the more information. So what we'll do, just open. See here, it was disclosed on 3/7/2011 and created on 30th/5/2018. And you can see, and you can see the more information about, and here they have written how it works. This is how it works. So let's see how it works. Just close this window. What we will do is, yeah, we will open, let me zoom in. We'll open MSF console. Just click on enter. It will take us to MSF. So I hope we have entered to the MSF. Now what we'll do is, should see which version was it. That was VSFTPD. So this was a service, right? Yeah, this was a service, which vulnerable service. And okay, now what we will do is, we will just put the IP we will, let us search for the version. This VSFTPD. It's okay. Now just copy this. So there is an exploit. You can see that is exploit. Now what we will do, we just copy this one. We put use this one and enter. So we have entered here. What we will do is, we will see the options, what options it has. Is it empty or not? So you can see here the our host. Our host is a remote host and remote port is 21. So we should fill the IP address on attacker. What we will do is, we put use it is set our, it was 192.168. We should use here an attacker's IP address. Okay, not an attacker, sorry, it is a target's IP address, that is 192.168.0.116. And let's confirm again, and we can show on show option, so that so enter. So you can see we have filled that. Now what we should do is, we should use the payload. For that we should use command show payload and enter. So we have a payload, that is payload bar cmd bar enter. We just copy these things. This is a payload. Okay, we using this we can enter to the system. For that we use control V. So not use, it's set payload and enter. Okay, Now what we should do is we should put some space on payload. We click on enter. So payload has generated. Ignore this. Payload has generated. Now we'll click on run. Let's see whether we can. So we can see 1.6, that was our that our target IP address, and they're using found shell. Okay. Now we just enter to the attackers targets a computer. So that means MSF function. So before that, I will let me show what's there in MSF console, like Metasploitable. Let's see what is there in Metasploitable. For that, we will do ls. So there is ls, that is vulnerable. CD, let's click on CD. That is, we can put vulnerable. Let's see what's there in there. Okay, we have the 4 files. So you can see here there is a 4 files. Now let's see that we can do the same thing. What to do? Yes, we have some folders here. How we should search for it? That is, let's what see for systems info. So let me zoom in full screen. Okay. Let me say who I wrote and I let me let's see on CD. Let us go for home. What we have in home? We have this one, this type of CD. Plus there is a vulnerable. You can see here. Here is a vulnerable. Let me go for CD. People. Okay. 4 files. The same files what was there in the exploitable. This way we can access. We can modify here also. How can we? Can see the path also. Which path we are there. It's everything we can do in the port 21. Now we are using SSH command. Using SSH command, we will DOS attack. Let me tell you what this SSH works on. This SSH works on forcing and radio denial of service, where some directories directories password or some whatever the password is we have, we will connect it to the site, and we will get using brute force. That is something called brute force or interruption. What we will do is see is it vulnerable or not. That is hyphen. This is a script. Vulnerable 192.168 was IP address. 116 was IP. See the it is there. Let's I have just created some this one. This password and login. You just create a password and login. You can see put some fake password and some password also like this. Just do it. So we will see and it will get done. We can see SSH and which IP address which. Let's see, this is CV number. So this has it's not on vulnerable, but we can do what we'll do ourselves into root user. Next we will open MSF console. the function is done. Now what we will do is we should search for the version. Which version we had? We SSH. Just click on enter. There is 45 categories of SSH. We should find out the login page. So just click on the top right somewhere it will be shuffled sometimes. You will see the login page. Okay, we got here this, it's here. We just read this function and use. So we have come across scanner SSH login page. What we'll do, we should open show options. You can see there is lots of. First we should put the R host. For that SED like now what we will do, we will set the R host. Sorry. The IP address was 192. We should put the target IP address 192.168.0.116. Okay, our host is set. Now what we will do, we should set verbose to true. That is set true. What verbose is equal to true. Next what we'll do, we will add the user login page and text password file. Set the file we'll use set. Just copy from the side. Set file. This one. And we just copy the path. Copy. We just paste here. Just click on enter. So the frame paste. Now we will put the password file. This pass file. This one. Just copy the session. Set this file. And was located in the same path. So copy it. Control V. Right now, everything is done. Now, what we will do, we will stop on success. This is we will not true. Everything is set. Now, let me show. See, this is true, and we added IP address, everything is done. Now, the push is started. Now, active credential data will be saved. See, it's working. The push is working. Wait for a while. It is only works when your MSF console is in root user. Use in your user, it won't work. Like admin user, put always for a terminal into root user. It's testing because there's lots of login and passwords. So it will test. So you can see it's a stop because you see here, see, so it's success. So we got to know that admin and MSF admin is a password. Now how to enter to this? Got to know how to got to know how it works. For that, what we'll do, we click on session and I1 because you can see session 1 is opened. We click on sorry, should be sessions. Okay, you can see right now I can interact with the PC. Oh, CLS variable. Same thing I showed in the first 21 ports. See here, it is LS that is vulnerable. Now I just click on CD. You have entered. That is now. Let's see what has it. Yes, these four files. Just see what files it has. Same four files. Now we can work. See it. It's only work when the site is in HTTP and when the site will be not more than secure. Windows 7 we can work on